What's going on, everybody? We need to take a look at Apple. Even though today had a major sell-off due to the CPI data numbers, the market tried to rebound itself. Now, on a macro overview picture, the market is not out of the woods. Is it the bottom? We are still too early to say that. Let's not start thinking about that. Let's just kind of take it day by day. Let's look at each stock individually. Right now is a stock picker's market. Right now is also a time to, size down a little bit. Maybe it's also a time to where, maybe take less trades. Right now, you do want to be actively day trading. Long-term investors are getting absolutely destroyed. If you are a long-term investor, obviously, definitely dollar cost average down at every major level of demand and kind of just wait it out until better days. For all of you day traders, you kind of have to go through each individual name and kind of look at the best overall charts. What looks good long, what looks good short, what has broken over its daily supply levels, what is underneath its daily supply levels, and kind of go from there. All in all, Apple has been one of the stronger stocks that has been holding up. Okay. Even though we had a massive sell off in the pre market, followed by a pretty decent bounce, and then followed by about 3 hours worth of sideways action, Apple really held up fairly well. Apple is also still over its 50-day moving average on the daily time frame, which is bullish. This is the third day in the third close over the 50-day moving average. Now, Apple did make one attempt to reclaim the 5-day moving average. That is going to be the high wick here on today's price action around 146 and a half. We have to give the bulls that are trading and or holding Apple the benefit of the doubt until they lose the 50-day moving average. We need to make sure we keep Apple on watch. If Apple is able to take out 146.50, there is room in the trade up to 149. I understand that seems like a lot, but if the market does want to continue some sort of bounce, or let's say the numbers that we get tomorrow are not as bad in the market, maybe sells off a little bit to start the morning and then kind of recovers and goes red to green, Apple is a stock that you're going to want to watch over 146.50. Again, it's not going to be the fastest mover in the world. We're not trading something like Tesla, but it will give you a little bit of cash flow if you are able to take advantage of it. If you're currently sitting long in it, what you are looking for if you are a bull is to get back over its daily 5-day moving average. That price is sitting at around 179, let's call it 146. Okay, anything over 146 on Apple is bullish. Let's continue to take this trade. I will be looking to get into Apple calls over today's highs. I'm looking to take profits somewhere in the vicinity of 147, 148 before we get to 149. That's just to kind of give you a little intro look at what I would like to do. Again, if the market decides to roll over and Apple does lose its 50-day moving average, what I would be looking for here is to wait it out and see what does it do when it gets to a lower level of demand. Right now, that firm and concrete level of demand is going to also be today's lows, which you can see here bounced off of the 20-day moving average. I will look to take a short position on Apple below 142. I'm looking to go long over today's highs. I'm looking to go short underneath today's lows. Sounds easier said than done. The only reason I'm looking at those two levels, today's highs and lows, is because if we lose today's lows, that would also be losing our level of demand here with a lot of room down to about 139. So keep that in mind. You got a lot of airspace here. If we do take out today's highs, we got a lot of airspace here. The last thing you want to be doing is trading in between these lines here when they're very, very contracted. I hope this video helps. If you guys are serious about learning how to day trade, learning the psychology of a day trader, learning entry points, exit points, building out a strategy, getting a strategy, working on a trading plan, definitely become a member of my Discord. All of that information is down in the description box below. Become a lifetime member, get access to my 2 video courses showing you guys exactly my strategies and how it is that I trade on a day in and day out basis. I hope to see you guys on the inside. For the rest of you guys, I'll see you guys all on the next YouTube video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It would definitely help out my channel. I would appreciate it 1000%, and I'll see you guys all next time.